Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Aqualandia Benidorm tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can purchase the tickets online using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of the video. So go ahead and open up that link, and once you've done so, it's going to open up this new main page from where we can get started. So first thing we want to do is click the check availability option right here. This is going to enable you to select an available date that you can purchase the tickets for. So let's say I want to purchase them for the 11th right here. I'm going to click the date, and then it's going to show me what kind of tickets I can get. So you have adult tickets, junior, and so on. So I'm going to select one adult ticket for me, and then I'm going to click the next button. Once you click on next, it's going to take you to this page from where you can take a look at all the similar experiences you can save money on. If you're not interested, just go ahead and click the no thanks option, click next, and it's going to take you to this page from where we can get started filling out our personal info, such as our first name, last name, phone number, and so on. And once you've filled out all of this, you can click the next button. This is going to take you to the payment page from where we can get started taking a look at all the payment methods that are available to us. You're going to see Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Select whichever one you prefer. Let's say you select debit card. You're going to go and be able to fill out all your info right here. Once you fill out your info, click the pay button, and you're going to purchase the ticket successfully. They're going to arrive to your email address that you have used for registering your account. So once you've done that, you can go and find them on your email. So go to the description of this video, find the first link you see, and it's going to take you to the official tickets page right here to purchase them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.